In an interview with German newspaper Bild, Armin Papperger, CEO of Rheinmetall AG, confirmed that testing of the KF41 Lynx infantry fighting vehicle is still ongoing in Ukraine. The single vehicle, delivered to the Ukrainian armed forces at the end of last year, is currently being trialed near the Polish border, far from active combat zones. Papperger did not specify the current stage of testing but noted that no further deliveries are planned at this time, partly due to a lack of funding under German military aid. Although Ukraine has expressed a need for up to 3,000 infantry fighting vehicles, Papperger stated that current funding could realistically support only several hundred units. Initial production of the first few dozen KF41 Lynx vehicles would take place entirely at Rheinmetall's facility in Unterlüß, Germany. While the company still intends to establish local manufacturing in Ukraine, these plans have been postponed until 2027. The KF41 Lynx has already been purchased by Hungary and selected by Italy, and a US modified version is being offered to the US Army as a potential replacement for the M2, M3, M7 Bradley family. Papperger also addressed reports of significant procurement plans by the Bundeswehr, which is seeking to modernize and expand its ground forces. Germany plans to replace outdated platforms such as the Fuchs armored personnel carrier and Fennec reconnaissance vehicle and to form 5 to 7 new combined arms brigades. According to Papperger, the German armed forces could procure 6,000 to 7,000 new armored vehicles across multiple types, including main battle tanks. Rheinmetall expects contracts from the Bundeswehr worth up to €70 billion and is preparing to meet growing demand through the construction of 10 new production facilities, including sites outside Germany. The company plans to increase its workforce from 40,000 to 70,000 and forecast sales growth to €40 to €50 billion by 2030, around 10 times its 2021 revenue.